What is going on, guys? We're back with a different type of video. We bought the 2025 Home Depot Scarred Chucky from Universal Studios. It just got delivered. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so this is gonna be the first look inside. Whoa. Oh wow, there's a lot of parts. Holy crap, Universal Studios. Whoa. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out everything. An arm. Alright, so we got the second arm. We got his boots. We've got his clothes. We've got his head. Oh my god. Oh wow. This thing is cool. Shoes go like this. They pop in those little grooves. Push the pin down inside. There's a pin in there. There we go. Same thing on the other side. Actually, for some reason, it was pre-assembled. This is supposed to not be on yet. So, take these Velcros off his collar. That's not supposed to be attached yet. And there's also a zipper here that was not supposed to be zipped up yet. So go ahead and unzip the zipper. Be careful. This is really hard to do. I have to use my teeth. Okay. Because the body's gonna go on now too. Alright, so now for the body, the speaker volume knob goes on the back of Chucky. Goes like this. Okay, next we're gonna plug everything in. There's a sensor up here in his chest that has to be plugged into here. Okay. Okay, the trick with the shoulders, you have to pull the clothes all the way up and then push the arm in, this metal rod into those two holes, then plug in the wiring, and that's it. So now let's get the left arm on. Go. So you gotta be careful of these cotter pins. Okay. Alright, head is plugged in. There's Velcro on the sleeve, which is good. Remember when you guys put this on, go crisscross. There's Velcro up here. It tucks under to his thing, his shirt. There we go. There we go. Guys, this thing is huge. Very realistic. It feels so real. This is so cool. It's gonna stay in my room. Size comparison. Holy crap. Alright guys, let's plug him in.
The first thing we gotta do is get out of this body once and for all.
There also is a volume knob. So his knife is supposed to light up too. Let's see. Yeah, it does light up. You can see it.
I'll be back. I always come back. Dying is such a...
This is so cool, man. His eyes are working, everything. And there's also a volume button on the back. And there's different modes. You can have him in nighttime mode.
Get off my knife.
It's where his knife just glows. So this is like nighttime mode. And then there's demo and then play. So that's so cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. My throat is like, I'm sick as shit, but I think I'm like the second person in Canada with one of those because I haven't found any videos, anybody on Marketplace selling it. So I'm pretty sure I'm the second person in Canada with that thing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it. I'm about to scare my nieces. They're sleeping right now. So I'm going to go in my mom's room and put the Chucky dust right beside them and wait for them to wake up. So let's get it.